Hey Math 7, Mrs. Ratzberg here. So we are moving into investigation 2 and looking deeper into similar figures. So in investigation 1, we were just looking at generalizing what makes things similar, but now we're actually going to really put numbers and values into it. And we're going to be doing that using mug, zug, lug, bug, and glug. And make sure you ask your teacher to show some 3D printed versions of these. It's pretty neat. Thank you, Mr. Fraser, for making those. So what you're going to do, you're going to be clicking on a link that's in your Canvas page, or if you're in Notability, it actually is linked right away. And what you're going to do, you're going to fill out this table here on page 6, all about mug, zug, lug, bug, and glug. And you're going to find the width of the mouth, the height of the foot, the perimeter of the mouth, the area of the nose, the angle of the lower left body, and the angle of the top of the nose. And our goal is to figure out, well, who are the imposters? Because we're going to a family reunion, but some of them are crashing, and it's so rude. And so the ones that are not imposters are the ones that are going to be similar to mug. So what we're going to do, we're just going to go click on this link. I should probably have it be like that. We're going to open that in Safari. There we go. And right away, you'll see mug. And so the width of the mouth, so you're going to click on the ruler. There's an image of what you need to click on. So the ruler, it has line length measurements. And then it says width of the mouth. So that's how wide the mouth is. And you click on it, and it tells you. And then perimeter is the next one. You can click on the perimeter of the mouth, so click on that. You would fill out a 10, and you'd keep going. The next one next to it is area. It says area of the nose, so you'd find that. Angle of the lower left, and so you'd click on like that lower left body, and then angle of the top of the nose would be right there. Now, so that's all mug. You would fill out mug, and then I'm gonna just exit that out, just go back to the hand. You can then delete mug. I like to kind of just erase the shape I'm on. And then I'm going to click up here and click add wump. And then if you click on these arrows, you can go and find all 5 of the attendants, people attending the wumps attending the family reunion. And so you might just know by looking, you might have a guess of who's the imposter, who are the imposters, and who are the family members. But we want to have mathematical proof. So what you're going to do, you're going to fill out that table with all 5 of these characters. And then you're going to compare them and tell us which are the imposters. So go ahead and pause and do that now. Okay, so we're back, and hopefully what you found, I'm not even going to fill out the table because you should have it filled out. If you need to check your answers, there is an answer key available for you to check those answers. So hopefully you found that the imposters were lug and glug. And the family members, and these are all in relation to mug, are zug and bug. Okay. So now we'll just continue on our journey. And hopefully what you notice, so it says what things are the same about mug and his family members. So hopefully what you notice is that the corresponding angles were the same. So I know I didn't actually write them out, but if you found, you should have had the same angles of 71.57 degrees for all of the lower left body, and then 90 degrees for the top of the nose. And then some things that were different, well, the side lengths were different. And they were either 2 times bigger or 3 times bigger. And then the area and perimeter were different as well, right? And that makes sense, because if the side lengths are different lengths, then that means that, it would help if I spelled that right. If the side lengths are different lengths, then that means the area and perimeter would have to be different lengths. Okay, so now our focus. So how can we determine if two shapes are similar? So you want to ask yourself these 3 questions. So that's what we're going to start off saying. So I'm going to write, ask 3 questions. And the 3 questions are, is it still, is it still the same general shape? Next, are corresponding angles equal? And finally, are corresponding sides proportional? Whoops. It's freaking out on me for a second. And then, so if yes to all 3, then the shapes are similar. All right, so feel free to send if you're at home learning today, or you are always at home learning, make sure you are sending your math teacher clarifying questions if you have them, and if not, go ahead and submit your daily practice. Have a great day, Trojans. Bye-bye.